Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got this old industrial trolley. So I'm off my trolley today and picked it out rather cheap. 2'4" wide, 6' wide, long I mean. Yeah, later on in the year I'll restore this, but I need to use it. Unfortunately we've got a puncher down there, so in this video let's have a look and put a new inner tube and tyre on it. So don't go away, I'll get you all set up, get that corner jacket off and we'll take that word off. See you in a second. Right, this is the offending wheel. As you can see, it's pretty knackered, the tyre's split and it's quite old. So what we're going to do, undo this split pin off of here. So pair of pliers. Hopefully this will come off quite easily. Oh. Let's get them like that. There we go. Got a new pin for this. Should come out quite easily. There we go. Yeah, these are really good around the garden or shed, workshop, outdoors. Come off your boat, bugger. Right, there we go. Split pin out. Then we've got the big washer. That hasn't been off for a while. And the tyre comes off just like that. So I'll just put that up there. This is what's going on it. This. There's the inner tube, what come with it. What is this? This is a 4.80 stroke 4.008 inch. Yeah, max load is, what do I say, 210 pounds, which is 95 kilograms, or in old English, 14 stone, 4 pounds. So these on every corner, I'm going to change them all. That should give the trolley quite a good heavy rating. So now we're off. See, that looks quite good. I'll put some grease on this. Later on I'll paint these up, these wheels, all of them, and strip it all down, clean it all up, make it look like new, like I did with the other one, what's it sitting on the generator in the jack. So I'll set you back up. We'll do this on top of the trolley, and I'll see you in 2 seconds. Right, so we've got this here. So take that dust cap off, just like that. Put that in the store. Now we need a screwdriver just to get this off. Hopefully it'll come off with I don't know how long it's been on there, but it should come off with no problems. They usually do. Perhaps I'll need to get another screwdriver. There we go. This works the same for wheelbarrows as well. Come off. There we go. Once we start going, it'll be alright. So I've got my tyre levers out. But I think this has been on here a few years. All of a sudden it will come. Here we go. Work our way around. Right, off. Take that side off. Right. There we go. Pull that round. There we go, keep working it. Bit of inner tube there. Let's go this way. Definitely holding on this one. There we go. We're off. There we go. Out we go. One old tyre. One oh dear, in a tube. So we'll put that on one side, file it down there. Looking at that, I think what I'd do, I'll just go and clean that up. So I'll go and get a wire brush or something just to rub around that. So I'll be back in a second. Right, got some old sandpaper. Go around that wheel. Make any naughtiness off. There we go. Make it a bit smoother, a bit easier to get the new one off. There we go. We'll do the other side as well. Take any rust slipping off. Later on I'll strip these down and repaint them. They've probably been like, well, I don't know if it's original factory or what, but yeah, it's just where it's been outside for years and years. So that's ready. So we'll get the new inner tube. What I'm going to do is put a bit of air in it. Get the foot pump. This just helps it with the shape and putting it in. Just like a bicycle tire. Right. And puts your shape into it. Bit of air. There we go. And that helps pump it up. You can always let some air out. Just puts it to a size. Now, just going to use some silicone lube, spray around it. This way I'll put that on easier. Hopefully, this is famous last words. There we go. So, put it around there. Bit around the tyre. Should help it. Like that. Now what we need to do, get some air out. Oh. There we go. Just get that air out of there. So, put some lever in. To help it. There we go. More air out of it. But at least we've got the shape now on the inner tube after being rolled up flat for a long time. I should have bought a smaller screwdriver for that. Got my elbow in your way. That's it. So we'll stick that on. Oh, get half of it on because these are brand new, so they're going to be a bit tough. Once you get it started, there we go. Where we get on? Right. You can use washing up liquid as well to do this. But yeah, that's a tight tie on there. There we go, leave that on. So once half of it's on, there we go, just like that. So now we're like that. There's our little hole. Get the inner tube and start feeding that in. Like I say, this is the same for wheelbarrows. There we're in. Right, get our valve, put that through the hole. There we go, we're coming, we're nearly there. Make it all nice and neat in there. A little problem just feeding that through. Oh, it's popped out again. There we go. We're in. Right. All around, all nicely laid in there. Well, now we can start pushing this on. That lube really helps. Just feed it, and all of a sudden it will pop. Make sure everything's right. There we go. Usually these go easy, but because I'm filming it, there we go. And we're on. So, big thing left to do. Pump her up. So, it just helps it all lubricate and move in nicely. So, without losing the valve, stick that on there. These can go up to about 30 psi. There we go. Like I said, this also does it for wheelbarrows. Make sure we're all nicely on there. Look at that. Proper job. Proper job. There we go. All coming up now. Tube nicely in there. With the lube, it can move quite freely, so it's not going to get caught up on anything. I usually do this by foot, but I'm using my hand, as you can see. And we're nearly up to 30. There we go, that's it. Take that off. New valve on. There we have it. Just like that. New tyre. And in the tube. Not only for industrial trolleys, but for wheelbarrows as well. So yeah. I'm going to put this back on. I'll move you back. Down there. Got a bit of white grease, marine grease there. So that this stays outside. Put a bit of that around the hub. There we go. Being marine, it's not going to go. Will be better than normal grease. So there we go. All around. Right, so just finish it off in there. There we go. Like that. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on that. So this is all going to be restored later. It will look rather good. So I've got 4 more wheels to do, but I'm not going to show. I'll just show you this one. A new split pin. Let's have that one there. Let's go for the next one up. Slightly bigger one. There we go. Oh, I thought I'd put a bigger one in there. There we go. What's that one like? That's better. Fold that round. Right, so there we go. I'll trim the edges off of that later. And to about there. So I ain't got to be cutters up. But yeah, that is how you do a tyre. Ooh. So if you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe to the channel, comment, and I will see you in a future video. Job, proper job.